In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a post in business.facebook.com. So what you should do is, when you're on this page, you press create post. In create post, you will land at this page. Over there, you go and upload the video first. Video, reel, whatever I've given you, okay? You can go and upload. This is the one that I have saved. I'm going to upload that. So you come here, it will upload the video. Now while it's uploading, we have to put the content. Content, you go to the file which I have given you. This is the file you will be getting. So right now I have uploaded the second video. So I am going to do the scheduling for the second video. You can see 24th April 21:30 is the time. So we have to take everything for that one. You take the title, description 2 and keywords. Everything we have to take. Copy it all and go and paste it in the box. Go and paste it in the box. Okay, now you paste this in the box. Now you may get this adjust aspect ratio. If you get that, sometimes you will get, sometimes you will not get. But if you get that, adjust, and if it is saying the red thing is there, then you have to adjust it. So how do you adjust it? Is you go here, you click this, and when you come here, choose the fourth one. Okay, this is not the correct one, so we okay, sometimes it will come that error, and you say apply. You say apply. If you say apply, it will upload the video in that new aspect. So let it come. So while that is getting done, you go and schedule it. You go schedule it. Over here, you have to schedule in two places, here and here. The date is already correctly selected, I think. 24th is the date. So that if it is any other date, like others are 25th, 26th, there you will go and change it, okay? But for today, we don't need to. Today, we only put the timing, 21:30 it says. So we go here and we change it, 21:30. Here also we go here, 21:30. That's it. So now we did the adjustment, the video is also ready, scheduling also is ready. Now all you got to do is press the schedule button. When you press the schedule button, that's it. It will say like this way. That means it is doing the job. The job is over. Now what you got to do, you go back to the home page. Go back to the home page and do the next one. Again start from create post and go to third one, fourth one, do the scheduling as per the time. That's it. Okay. That's about it.